Student, this is the question of curvature. Here in this question, the given curve is ellipse and we have to find the radius of curvature at an end of major axis and also prove that radius of curvature is equal to the semi-lateral rectum of the ellipse. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ गिवन कर्व है एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. This is the equation of ellipse. Now we find here radius of curvature. So differentiate this with respect to x. So 1 upon a square d by dx of x square plus 1 upon b square d by dx of y square and d by dx of 1 here. We know that differentiation of x square with respect to x, that is 2x upon a square, and differentiation of y square with respect to x can be written as d by dy of y square into dy by dx, and differentiation of 1 with respect to x, this is 0, so this is 2x upon a square plus differentiation of y square with respect to y, this is 2y upon b square dy by dx is equal to 0. Now we transform this 2x upon a square on the right hand side, so we get 2y upon b square dy by dx is equal to minus 2x upon a square. So this 2 is cancelled by this 2, so dy by dx is equal to minus b square x upon a square y. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ गिवन कर्व है ellipse जिसकी इक्वेशन है x स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. इसको हम डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं इसके रिस्पेक्ट में 1 अपॉन a स्क्वायर कांस्टेंट है, सो इट विल बी आउटसाइड द डिफरेंशियल ऑपरेटर dy by dx of x square plus 1 upon b square dy by dx of y square is equal to dy by dx of 1, and 1 is the constant, so differentiation of 1 is 0, and differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x, and here differentiation of y square with respect to x can be written as d by dy of y square into dy by dx, and we know that differentiation of y square with respect to y is 2y upon b square into dy by dx. Now we transform this 2x upon a square on the right hand side, so the sign of this is negative, so this 2 is cancelled out from the numerator in both the sides, so value of dy by dx is equal to minus b square x upon a square y. Now again we differentiate this and get value of d2y in dx2, so again differentiate with respect to x, so we get here d2y by dx2, that is here minus b square upon a square is constant and d by dx of x upon y. Now we differentiate this x upon y from the quotient formula of differentiation. So first we write denominator and d by dx of numerator minus numerator and d by dx of denominator upon denominator square. So this can be written as d2y by dx2 is equal to minus b square and this a square y square here, and differentiation of x with respect to x, this is 1 minus x, and here this is dy by dx, so we put here value of dy by dx, that is minus b square x upon a square y, so this minus multiplied by this minus we get here plus, and this x multiplied by this x we get x square b square divided by a square y. Now we taking LCM in this bracket, so we get d2y by dx2 is equal to minus b square upon a square y square, and here a square y square plus b square x square divided by a square y. So we know that from the given equation of curve a square y square plus b square x square is equal to a square b square, so the numerator is this equal to a square b square, so we put here d2y by dx2 is equal to minus b square upon this a square multiplied, so we get a power 4, and this y square multiplied by y, this is y cube, and this is equal to a square b square. Now this b square multiplied by this b square we get b to the power 4, and this a square cancelled by this power 4 we get a square y cube. So value of d2y by dx2 is equal to minus b to the power 4 upon a square y cube. Now we find radius of curvature, so the formula of radius curvature for the Cartesian curve is 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 upon d2y by dx2. Now we put here value of dy by dx and d2y by dx2 and we get radius of curvature. So we put here rho is equal to here 1 plus dy by dx value of dy by dx, this is minus b square x upon a square y. So put here and squaring this, so we get minus square plus b square is b to the power 4 and x square divided by a to the power 4 y square and whole power 3 by 2 divided by here d2y by dx2, this is equal to minus b to the power 4 divided by a square y cube. Now taking LCM here in this bracket, so we get a to the power 4 y square plus b to the power 4 x square whole power 3 by 2 and we take LCM a to the power 4 y square whole power 3 by 2 and this is minus here and this is b to the power 4 and this a square y cube in the numerator. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर dy by dx और d2y by dx2 की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट की गई है। dy by dx की वैल्यू माइनस बी स्क्वायर एक्स अपान ए स्क्वायर वाई है, इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो माइनस का स्क्वायर प्लस होगा, बी स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर बी पावर 4 होगा एक्स स्क्वायर और ए स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर करेंगे e पावर 4 आएगा अपॉन वाई स्क्वायर और इसी तरह d2y by dx2 की वैल्यू माइनस बी पावर 4 अपॉन ए स्क्वायर वाई क्यूब सब्स्टिट्यूट की गई है। फिर यहाँ ब्रैकेट में एलसीएम लेंगे तो e की पावर 4 वाई स्क्वायर एलसीएम होगा तो e की पावर 4 वाई स्क्वायर की होल पावर 3 by 2 हो जाएगी और a की पावर 4 वाई स्क्वायर 1 में मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो a की पावर 4 वाई स्क्वायर प्लस b की पावर 4 एक्स स्क्वायर होल पावर 3 by 2 होगी। अब ये स्क्वायर वाई क्यूब न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा तो a की स्क्वायर वाई क्यूब हो जाएगा। नाउ दिस कैन बी टेन माइनस एंड दिस a to the power 4 y square plus b to the power 4 x square whole power 3 by 2 and this a square y cube and here in the denominator this power 4 cancel by 2 to the 4 and 2 multiplied by 3 so here a to the power 6 and y square whole power 3 by 2 so this 2 is 2 cancel so this is y cube and here b to the power 4 so this a square cancel by this power 6 and we get here 4 and so this y cube cancel by this y cube so here we get minus a to the power 4 y square plus b to the power 4 x square whole power 3 by 2 divided by a to the power 4 y to the power 4। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर a to the power 4 की होल पावर 3 by 2 है तो इस 4 को 2 से कैंसिल करेंगे 2 to the 4 होगा और 2 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो एक पावर 6 होगा y स्क्वायर की पावर 3 by 2 करेंगे तो 2 पावर कैंसिल हो जाएगी ये y क्यूब हो जाएगा और ये b की पावर 4। अब आप देख सकते हैं न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर से y क्यूब कैंसिल हो जाएगा a स्क्वायर इस पावर 6 से कैंसिल होगा तो यह पावर 4 बचेगी और ये अपॉन में 20 अपॉन में ये b की पावर 4 हो जाएगा। This is equal to b to the power 4. Now in this question it is given that we have to find radius of curvature at an end of major axis. So we know that this is ellipse, here this is ellipse and a dash this is the major axis, a dash this is the major axis and end point of this major axis is a comma 0. So we find radius of curvature at this end point. So at a comma 0 radius of curvature is minus, here we put value of y that is 0 so this term will be 0 and here we put value of x that is a so this is b to the power 4 a square whole power 3 by 2 divided by a to the power 4 b to the power 4. So this is equal to here minus times b to the power 4 a square whole power 3 by 2 upon a to the power 4 b to the power 4 and this power 4 cancelled by 2 2 to the 4 and 2 multiplied by 3 so this is 6 so b to the power 6 and this square is cancelled by 2 so here a cube upon a to the power 4 b to the power 4 so this power 6 this b to the power 4 cancelled by this 6 power and we get here b square and this a cube cancelled by this power 4 so this is a. So we know that radius of curvature cannot be negative so the radius of curvature is b square upon a, neglecting negative sign here. So rho is equal to b square upon a. And here we have to show that radius of curvature at an end of major axis is equal to the semi-lateral septum of the ellipse. हमको ये भी शो करना है जो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर है वो मेजर एक्सिस के एंड पॉइंट पर सेमी लेटस रेक्टम के इक्वल हो. एंड वी नो दैट हियर दिस इज द LSL dash is the latest rectum and semi-lateral rectum is LS and length of semi-lateral rectum is b square upon a. We know that length of semi-lateral rectum semi-lateral rectum is equal to b square upon a. So here the rho is b square upon a. This shows that radius of curvature is equal to the semi-lateral rectum. So this shows that radius of curvature, here we can write this shows that radius of curvature is equal to the length of semi-lateral rectum of given ellipse. आप देख सकते हैं जो लेटस रेक्टम की लेंथ होती है सेमी लेटस रेक्टम की वो बी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए होती है इस एलिप्स के लिए और रो इज इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए है. सो दिस शोज दैट रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर एट एन एंड पॉइंट ऑफ मेजर एक्सिस इज इक्वल टू द length of semi-lateral rectum. Thank you.